Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I asked on my Instagram recently, if you guys haven't followed me there, by the way, it's just at Eliana Jalali. I asked you guys if you wanted to see an updated closet tour. I haven't done one since I redid my closet, and I've added a lot of shelves and I've kind of rearranged how I hang everything up. And everybody said that they wanted an updated one, so that's what we're filming today. I'm just gonna go through how I organize my closet, point out some of my favorite pieces in here, and I will link as much as possible in the description box below, as well as my closet renovation video and my original closet tour video. Because if you guys want to see how my dad and I literally built this from scratch, that's a great video. So don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe if you are excited to see more. And let me know in the comment section below what videos you guys want to see from me next. Okay, so I guess I'll just start from the top and work my way down. On this first shelf right here, by the way, this is the Elfa system from the Container Store. I hand designed this entire closet, put it together myself. This top shelf right here is where I keep my handbags in their dust bags. So I have a clutch from Givenchy, St. Laurent, Small Kate. I have my Gucci Soho Disco in here. My St. Laurent, I don't know what this is called. It's the Sac de Jour but with the top zipper. It was like a limited edition a few holiday seasons ago. And then just like a bunch of other bags and boxes in the back over there. Then I have some shoes that I couldn't fit on my shelves, just in boxes up here. And then a bunch of just like memorabilia type stuff in little bins in the top left corner of my closet. Then same thing kind of up here in this top shelf that you guys can't even see, it's so high up. I have some extra shoes and shoe boxes, more of my like travel bags. All those like little travel pouches are in like this one big bag that I keep up there on the shelf. So that's all kind of hidden and tucked away. You can't really see that, which I think is kind of nice because I don't have closet doors. I'm trying to figure out a system that would work in here because I do have drawers that pull out, so I can't do I can't do two doors that kind of slide on top of each other, otherwise I can't pull these drawers out. Wow, saying doors and drawers, complicated. So it's kind of just been open since I redid my closet, which I'm not mad at. I really like being able to see all my clothes, but yeah, that's kind of that situation. So then on this top shelf right here, I have my go-to most reached for bottoms and sweats. So right here I have all of my jeans, my pants, anything like that. Then this row right here are my most worn hoodies that I fold. I also have hanging hoodies down here. And then these are all of my sweatpants. This shelf right here are all of my go-to heels. So a few of my favorites right now are actually this pair right here from Jimmy Choo. I just think that these are such a stunning shoe, and they're actually not as uncomfortable as other heels that I've worn in the past. And Jimmy Choo is honestly one of my favorite brands for designer heels. I just find them to be way more comfortable. I actually wore this pair of shoes right here to an engagement party the other night, and I danced in them for like 4 or 5 hours and my feet didn't hurt. So definitely worth the investment. I just do need to clean them because they're getting a little bit dusty and banged up. I just don't know what the best way is to clean suede. So then on this shelf right here are my most worn sneakers and boots. So these are my 3 pairs of booties that I wear all the time. This pair, I get questions every single time that I wear them. These are by Campbell. They are still available, so I'll link these down below. Then I do have this pair that are white with a black heel. These were from like the Kendall and Kylie collection, and I got them at Nordstrom Rack a while ago. I don't think that I could find those anymore. And then these I actually got when Barney's was closing down. These are a pair of Vuitton black heeled booties. I don't know the name of them, but I will look for them online and see if I can find them somewhere. They are so comfortable and such a great black heeled bootie. And then I get questions all the time, you guys, on good shoes for lifting. I am currently wearing my APLs all the time. This particular one is the Techloom Wave, and I really, really, really like these. specifically because I can wear them at work all day long and they don't hurt my feet, and then I can just wear them to lift when it's time for me to work out and I don't need to switch my shoes. They're really comfortable on the foot. They're nice and flat without a huge arch in the back, so your foot is nice and grounded on the floor. So you have a lot of good force production into the ground, which is going to make it the most optimal shoe for weightlifting. You don't want to wear a shoe that has any height to it, like something like this, for lifting, because your foot's already kind of in a flex position and your muscles are already like contracted, and it's just not great for lifting. You want to get a shoe that's as flat as possible. That's why you'll see me lifting a lot in my Converse. You'll see me lifting in my Metcons. These are one of my other favorite shoes for lifting. But I also like that I can kind of walk on the treadmill on these, and there's still like a lot of flexibility in the foot. So that is what I've been wearing mostly on my weight training days. Just a little fun little fact thrown into this video. Moving on to this side of my closet right here, I'm going to jump around a little bit. This first section right here are all of my tank tops that I wear for working out, and there are a few in here that are just like a black tank top that I'll wear with a pair of high-waisted jeans, not necessarily just to work out in. Then I have all of my cropped t-shirts that I wear to work out in, and then I have more like of my nicer crop shirts that I'll wear out. Then I have some cropped hoodies over here, and then it kind of goes into my longer sweaters, that kind of thing, going all the way back to like my going out shirts, all that stuff. Just things that I don't reach for as often are kind of pushed a little bit further back. These are kind of like, okay, what shirt do I want to wear today to work out in? Grab and go. But when I'm actually making an outfit to go out, those are the shirts that are back there, which I don't go out that often anymore, so that's why they're not in my direct line of grab. I also have a basket over here that has all of my scarves, so I'll reach for scarves over here occasionally. And then right now, since it's off season, I have all my jean shorts, that kind of stuff, tucked in the back over here on the shelf, because the shelf extends all the way back and through. But soon I'm going to swap my shorts for probably one of these stacks of jeans that I don't wear as often. Okay, so moving down to the lower half of my closet, on this shelf right here, I just keep my, what is this called? My Keepall Louis Vuitton duffel, because this is what I use to throw my gym clothes in, change of clothes, that kind of thing, travel bag, whatever, when I need to bring a change of clothes to work. It goes in this bag, so I need it to be easy access to grab and go. So this first drawer right here contains all of my black workout bottoms. Part of my uniform at work is to wear a solid black bottom. So I have my black leggings, my black shorts, my black crop leggings, all that kind of things in this top drawer. So it's easy for me to pick a bottom for work, because we do have a train top that doesn't take much thought, but picking a pair of leggings takes a little bit of brain power in the morning. This second drawer right here contains my colored and patterned workout gear when I'm just working out, not going to work. So I have my fun patterned leggings over here, all my sports bras are here, and then a bunch of workout tops, tank tops that I don't hang up there. They're more of like my only sometimes worn. Those are my very often worn. This drawer right here has all of my underwear, my bras. Don't need to show you that, kind of boring. This one is all my pajamas, so pajama tops, some sweatshirts that don't fit up there come down here, and my pajama shorts are in the back. Then my last drawer has all my socks and my bathing suits, cover-ups, everything's kind of thrown in here. And then we have a bunch more sneakers that I don't wear as often, kind of on these shelves over here. And then my slides are at the bottom of my closet right here, because I wear them all the time just around the house, so I don't keep them on a shelf. And then I keep my Uggs and my winter boots and all that kind of stuff tucked back here in the wall. Then on this side of my closet, I have all of my jackets. So right now I have more of my lighter jean jackets. I have a black jean jacket from Reformation. This one is just a blue denim from Gap. It's slightly distressed. A lighter pink kind of like moto suede jacket from Zara is over here. Hello, why am I so overexposed? My leather jacket, a blazer, that kind of stuff. more denim, and then these are all of like my activewear black sweaters that I wear to work, and then you have all my heavier winter jackets starting to be slowly pushed back further away into my closet because I'm not wearing them as often right now. And then the last section is this one back here. This is where I keep all my dresses, my jumpsuits, all that kind of stuff, my winter coats, anything like that is all going to be tucked in this back section right here. I don't really own that many dresses, so that's why it's a little bit of a smaller area, not as touched. But yeah, that's the last section of my closet. That is my updated closet tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you in a video coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.